Hi, what's up? Uh, it's me, Naljin. It's um, wait lang. Yo, yo, yo. It's kamusta? It's been so long since I've been doing this vlog, and how you guys been? Ayun, and I'm trying to focus up or kaya to gather my thoughts right now. The date today is July 17, 2026. And gusto ko na mag-start off sa that things will never be the same. And throughout my 23 years in this life, in this one life, I'm so uncertain about what my future may hold. And as you can see in my eyes or kaya sa current state ko na this is my thesis era which is 3 months na tawag dito, ah 2 years na lang I'll be graduating college. Tama ba? Yeah, 2 years na lang. I'll be graduating college. And it's really a quite a roller coaster. As for my previous videos before, I applied for work but didn't work out. But right now, nasa state ako na I'm just living day by day, surviving, and I think it's all that matters. Pero I'm trying to conclude what I'm trying to say right now, but I don't have a beginning, a middle part, and an end. I always conclude things, and it makes me wanna um wala pa ring focus, wala pa ring discipline, wala pa ring routine, wala pa ring sense of mad sense of margin of a form or a structure that really that really makes me wanna talagang sabihin na I rely on a system outside of my own world, not me trying to build my own system and structure for me to build a life that I want. And it's kind of insane or kaya it's kind of sad on my part kasi I've been taong bahay nga ako, parang ganun. And I see things throughout my lenses and not every day na iniisip ko na parang andito na lang, ganito na lang ba ako? Should I be contented? And And it fucking scares me talaga if I'm going to find work and find the right competence and find the right character and find the right but at the same time the back of my head that I know when I'm sane, when I'm not being trying to be perfect, I'm always trying to be perfect. I'm always parang very systematic or very hard on myself to the point na I can't do shit, I can't do certain things that I want or to have in my own. And it fucking scares me. Alam mo yun, it really scares the shit out of me na na I have so much potential and talagang um but at the same time na parang I have dreams, I have aspirations, pero there's always a standard of living how I life or parang ganon. And and it kind of sucks kasi I got no one to talk to. These thoughts of mine, these one-sided biases thoughts na finding right people makes me really hard on myself and and not pero kapag walang budget, walang money, I can go out or kaya parang I'm trying to improve myself by my hobbies, by mga daily tracker ko and shit. And and ngayon like parang trying to do these videos for the last 3 years now, I guess. 3 years na ba? Ay, 2 years pa lang. And it kind of revolves around the idea na I have to get my shit together talaga. And Alam ko na gagawin ko, isip ako ng isip, doom scroll ako ng doom scroll ako ng doom scroll. Pero nandun pa rin ako sa point na, oh my gosh, should I be streaming? Should I be playing guitar, playing games? Should I be reading a book? Or should I be practicing my basketball basketball skills, shooting skills and all? And 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 nakakaya or kaya parang on my part is nakakadismaya dahil may gusto kong daming gawin. I'm a very creative guy, pero hindi ko mabigay motivation or to stay disciplined on the idea na parang pag nandun na ako sa moment of creative mode ko na parang I have to stick with this, I have to do this, that, and shit. Ayun. And parang nakita ko na I have to really work on it, pero I don't know how. And nakita ko lang na I need to ask help kasi narinig ako, may na pakinggan ako the level excuse me um you can only be a man, or the level of integrity of a man is how he asks for help, or kaya ayun. Pero ayun, nag-doubt ako na ang dami kong alam pero I don't learn from it. Ang dami kong ideas pero I don't fact check it. I don't really search for the right thing, no? Parang curious akong guy, may ideas ako, pero I'm I'm trying to formulate ideas, formulate yung know-it-all perfectionism type shit na ganyan. And masakit, or kaya parang masakit tuloy. Parang hindi siya tugma kung sino ba talaga ako. Or ganun ba talaga ako as a person na ganun. Or there may be people like me na kinakaya, or parang trying to find the right outlet for them, or kaya trying to make the progress out of the progress itself, you know? And it's really something that I want to improve or to take part of. And it scares the shit out of me. It really scares the shit out of me. Pero here I am talaga na trying to make sense of it all. But ako lang mag-isa, nag-brainstorm. Alam mo yun? May narinig din ako, the grass is greener. It's, it, hindi siya, the grass isn't greener. Hindi siya greener. The grass is greener, di ba sabi nga nila? The grass is greener on the other side. But no, grass isn't. Hindi siya greener. It's, sinasabi niya doon na, you don't have to force yourself to outgrow what's in front of you. Yun lang, or kaya yun yung interpretation ko na parang you can grow where you can, hindi mo kaya mag-grow, or parang hindi ko kaya mag-grow dun sa particular side of that fence, that side na akala mo magiging greener ka. Yun na yun. Parang gano'n. Na ibig sabihin nun na parang if I outperform, or if I get out talaga and do certain things, parang imbis na gagawin ko agad yung dapat kong gawin, parang hino-hold back ko. Parang inisip ko mag-grow ba ako dito, or parang nagdududa ako sa process ng on how I do certain things. Kaya minsan hindi ko siya nagagawa consistently. Yun, parang ganun. Basta. Yun na yun. Pero, yun na yun. Like, yun yung nakita ko for myself. And, should I be graduating? Should I be doing this? Should I be reviewing? No, alam mo yun, parang ganyan. Should I find a job now? Should I do this? Should I do that? And it's fucking scary. It's really scary. No? And I don't have the right level of competence to say na I will never be the right guy or the right son or the right friend if I'm only going to do is to push myself away to the people who loves me, who cares for me, na nakilala ako, and every time I meet people, they place a special thing in my heart, pero I don't really form the right relationships, the right bonding, the right words, the right tambay moments, the right kabordagulan, kupalan moments na hindi ko na nakita ko sa social media or sa labas na I want. Lastly, parang I just want connection. And it's hard to connect with other people if you don't know how to connect yourself, to have the same to have principles, values, character. Ayan, sino ba ako for me to give them back the reciprocation that they want or they need, 'di ba? Like, yeah, pero bullshit kasi yung be yourself eh. Like, be yourself lang. Pero paano yung be yourself ko na parang, 'di ba? Like, it's super, 'di ba? So, in short, may babaguhin ako. Like, 'di ba? Like, be yourself nga, pero you have to change. You have to make the small changes to be fit, to fit in, 'di ba? Ganun pa rin eh. Alam mo yun, like, what the fuck, 'di ba? I don't know, parang hindi ko pa rin gets yung idea na yun na parang doon nagre-revolve, na parang ang bullshit talaga nun. Ang bullshit, or kaya wala pa rin akong sense of identity na gano'n. And it makes me sad kasi, um, okay, parang ganito, parang ganyan. Proving myself to worth it for them, pero hindi gano'n yung sinasabi nila na kailangan I have to prove myself, not for them, but for myself. Pero how can I give back, how can I give more in my own world? How can I give more effort for myself? Kung saan ko siyang, pero at the first place, bakit ko ba siya ginagawa? 'Di ba? Bakit ko ba ginagawa 'to? Para sa akin ba? Para sa kanila ba? Alam ko para sa akin. Kasi it makes me happy. It makes me sad. It makes me doubt. And that's my emotions eh. Emotions ko yan eh. 'Di ba? Emotions ko yun. Pero sabi nga nila give and take nga, 'di ba? So if I have to give more for myself, then I have to take out of take out something via hobbies, via outlets for the world to see, or kaya for the world to know na galing pala nito, ganito pala yung trip ni Narjin, na ganyan. Ewan ko, yun. I think I'm making sense right now, pero I don't know. Hindi ko pa alam talaga kung if I'm making sense talaga. Yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon, yung thoughts ko ngayon, yung ideas ko ngayon, or yung rants ko ngayon. Pero, nandun na eh. Parang nandun na siya. Kulang na lang talaga. Parang gigil na gigil ako magbago. Pero, there are certain things in my life na that needs to be working done. Pero I don't have a life. I'm still studying. I'm still a student. Anak pa ako. I don't have responsibilities yet. I only study, I only play games, I only watch movies, shows, masturbation and shit. Mga ganun, di ba? Pero it's nice to have this kind of life, but at the same time it's so hard to dream more if the world demands more out of you. Hence the expectations, di ba? The expectations of other people, diba? For you and for me. Ayun, I think I'm making sense. And buti hindi ako nababaliw. Kasi nasasabi ko to, na-share ko to, nalilet out ko to. And it's scary. It's super scary, man. Super, super scary. Talaga. I want to make a podcast. I want to make a gaming channel. I want to make a blogs about stories that I want to share. I want to create stories. Talaga. And it's going to be a bumpy ride. It's a roller coaster ride. That's life. But at the same time, it's super lonely. Nakakaiyak kasi ako lang mag-isa. Nakakaiyak kasi I'm super introspective. I have these thoughts. But right now, I'm just sharing this for one single video for my future self, for my past self, or kaya for my fucking 40-year-old self na, Aljin, buhay ka ba? Putang ina mo, patay ka na nun eh. Joke lang. Pero, ayun na yun eh. Um, I'm just scared. I'm just scared to grow up. But Naljin, you really need to grow up. You got this. Kaya mo yan. Wow! Show them the results. Show them that you're happy. Show them you're sad. Show them the deepest, darkest moments in your life. The deepest things in your life. And all will be worth it if you put your mind into something. You're not getting older, according to Lola Gloria, yung nakilala mo dun sa subdivision mo sa St. Francis. Just to remember her. And kailangan mo rin magtiis. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for listening. And this is going to be super great, super happy. And I'll be waiting for your success, Naljin. I love you so much. Peace.